Alright, yeah. Had to just double back, make sure that thing was recording. Anyway, this is let me check. This is okay. Anyhow, I just had to stop my practicing there, and I got an email right in the middle of all that stuff. So can you guess what's in this package? I bet you some of you already know by the length of it. It's from MGB Parts Supplier in Odessa, Florida. It came pretty quickly. Got pretty well. And I saw when it emailed, it looks like it's about to rain out there, so I definitely do not want to leave it out there. Yeah. Man. It's exciting. It's my Christmas time. I always tell my wife, I said, I don't need nothing during Christmas. It ain't that giving up. Of course she always does. But I don't really need nothing because I always get what I want throughout the year. Yeah. Oh man. That's awesome. Yeah, it's got a blank can on there. I don't know if you can see that. I hope I'm holding it in the right place. But man, I love it. Yes, this goes with my project. And you probably, if you haven't been reading the comments below, you probably already know what it is by the time I get this out. But man, I'm excited. And this is it here. I measured this. This is supposed to be 12 inches here. 12 and 8/16 it looks like. That's perfect. That's perfect. I won't need all that. Of course, I'll cut some of that off. And my fretboard is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 13. 18 inches, about 3/4. Not quite, not on the inch mark, but it is on 3/4. Anyway, it is a 6-string. I mean, I talked to one of my students, and I really hadn't seen it before, but they separate the strings. I don't know if you can see it, because they're supposed to make it for picking. But of course, I'm going to be using a slide. I pick that way. They separate them a little bit better. It's not perfectly. It pretty much is. I was looking at it wrong. But that nut. Yeah, of course, I'm going to shape the head. Not quite sure if I want what kind of head I want there. And then I put my tuning screws up there, and that's pretty awesome. But I tell you how much this was. If anybody's wanting to build them an instrument, but it's a 6-string maple and rosewood neck, 25.5-inch scale. It was $90. That's how much this thing cost. And it came from MGB Parts Suppliers in Odessa, Florida. I'm going to get some other stuff from that. That was pretty good. And also, I got this came in the mail at the same time. These for reading. But I've been ordering so much from Amazon. I got oh, look at that! I even got me another little. Everybody, you can't have too many of these. But did you see that? Yeah. Snarling dog brain picks. Kind of a strange name, but hey, they were what I like to use, which is a .73, and they got that grip on them. I like that grip. But anyhow, that's it. Snarling dogs, brain fish. I said that was, I didn't tell you how much it cost because I got them for free. And that's a handful of them. If you can see that or not, that's a handful of them. Anyway, well, that's just an update on my instrument that I'm building. If you ain't figured it out yet, somebody kind of has, but I hadn't exactly said what it is yet. But y'all be blessed, and I'll talk to you later.